Good evening.
Hi, good evening, Mai. How are you today?
Today I'm okay.
You're okay. Okay, you do have a lot of planets at your background. Okay? So I like your background. It's planets, okay? Okay.
Yes.
So, we're going to continue our lesson, Mai. It's all about it's all about my what? Can you
Winter.
It's all about winter. Very good. Okay, for a while I'm going to share with you my screen. Oh, where is it? Okay, for a while, Mai. Okay. Okay, for the meantime, I cannot share that. What happened? Okay. Can you see it, Mai? Can you see them? You cannot. Can you see it, Mai, or not?
No.
Okay. What about this time? Can you see them?
Yes, I can.
Very good. Okay. Now, last time, Mai, we were able to study about the following words, right? What are those words, Mai? Can you read this one?
Snowflake.
Very good. What else?
Spot.
Very good.
Skate.
Very good.
Footprint.
Very good. Okay. And we were able to read the story, and also we answered also the questions that follows. And I would like to say thank you and congratulations for sending to me your recorded, okay, reading of the story. Okay, I like that one because you were able to practice your pronunciation. Okay, so keep that at mind, keep that up. Okay, so keep on reading, and one day you will going to learn them all. Okay, so congratulations for that. And then we were also able to study the structure, the use of,
Wait for.
yes. So when do we use the word wait for? Or how do we use the word wait for? If,
I will they you.
yes, so wait for would be if we are using the pronoun I, we, they, and
They
you.
you.
So we have to use what we use, my
Wait.
wait. Very good. If we're talking of,
He, she, it.
we have to use,
Waits.
okay. For example, can you read this one again, my
I wait for him for 45 minutes
minutes?
now.
Okay. Minutes. Can you say it, my
Minutes.
minutes?
Minutes.
Again. Okay. Minutes.
Minutes.
Okay. Now, so why is it we use wait? Why is it we use wait? Because,
Because of I.
yes, because of I. Okay, second, my,
They wait for me at the coffee shop
okay. So why we use wait for?
because of they.
Because of they. Next, my,
He waits for his order
okay. So this time, why we use waits?
because of he.
Because of he. Okay? Or we can also use waits if we're talking of she, right? Let's say, for example, we have to replace he. She waits for his order. Or you can also say it waits for
His order.
the order. Okay? Okay, so that is how we use wait and waits for. Okay, Mai? Do you have questions with this?
No, I done.
No, very good. Now, let's go to number two. What is the word again? The structure would be sleep.
Sleep on
Yes,
something.
plus something. Now, again, we have to use the structure. If we are talking about sleep, we have to use I.
We, they, you
Okay, so that would be sleep
sleep
on.
on.
Yes. If we are talking of he,
He, she, it sleeps
sleeps.
on.
Very good. Can you read sentence number one, Mai?
Tom sleeps on the kitchen floor
Yes. Okay. So why we use sleeps on?
because of Tom.
Because of Tom. Tom is a
Tom
boy or a
is
girl?
a boy.
A boy. So if we have to replace Tom with a pronoun, it's he, right?
Yes.
Okay. Sentence number two, Mai.
I sleep on the floor
Okay, why we use sleep on?
because of I.
Because of I. Next, sentence number three, Mai.
Anna sleeps on her bed
Okay, so why is it sleeps on?
because of Anna.
Because of Anna. And Anna is?
Anna is a girl.
Okay, if we try to replace the word Anna with the pronoun, what pronoun is it?
She.
She. Very good, Mike. Okay? Okay. So these are the sentences that we were able to use last time, right? Okay, do you have questions with this, Mike?
No, I
No,
don't.
very good. So did you understood it already? Okay, so it's done already, right? Okay, let's move on to, can you read this one, Mai?
Something.
Plus,
Get. Guess.
plus,
Adjective.
adjective. Okay,
Adjective.
so yeah, so this one is adjective. So again, we are going to use again the rule. What's the rules? I
You. We. They. Get.
get, yes. He
He. She. It. Guess.
gets. Very good. Example, can you read this one, Mai?
The weather can get very
Very
cold
cold
in winter.
winter. Okay, look at this one, Mai. What is all about something there? The
The
weather.
weather.
Yes. And then why we use get?
Mm,
Because
get.
because it's it.
Because of it.
Yes, very good. No, not the it, but of course, the weather can get something very cold in the winter. And why we use get?
Because of I, you, we, they.
Okay, because the winter is like that, okay? And then, okay, like for example here, the boy
The boy gets
tired.
tired
Yes. So why is it gets?
because of the boy.
Yeah, because of the boy. And the boy is?
The boy is he.
It's he. Yeah, very good. Next.
He gets tired
Yes. Oh, look at this one. He is, of course, a boy, right? So therefore, we have to use gets. And then,
I get tired
yes, I get tired. Okay? So therefore, we have to use get
because of I.
because of the I. Okay? Do you have questions with this, Mai?
No, I don't.
Okay, let me see. Can you give me a sentence, Mai, using this one? Okay? Something, get or gets. Okay. For a while. Okay. For a while, my.
Um,
Okay. Can you give me an example, my, using the following structure?
I
Okay.
I get my breakfast
My breakfast. Okay. Oh, I eat my breakfast. Is that what you mean? Oh, I get. Yeah, because we're using get, right? So I get my breakfast from, where did you get your breakfast? From the kitchen. Okay, we can add that one, my. Okay, so from the kitchen.
kitchen
Yeah, I'm going to write it, my, ha, for a while. So I get my
breakfast.
breakfasts at the kitchen. Okay. Okay, so look at this one. Oh, we have to use from, or in the kitchen. So in the kitchen. Okay, look at this one, my. Okay. Okay, can you read sentence number one, my?
I get my breakfast in the kitchen
Yes. So why is it we use get?
because of I.
Because of I. Okay? Now,
Yes,
another one. Can you give me another one, my? Using gets.
he gets he gets he he gets his book
Okay. Book. In
in
the,
in the friend's house.
okay, friend's house. Okay. In his friend's house. Okay. In his friend's house. Okay. Wait for a while. Or at the friend's house. Okay. Look at this one, Mike. Can you read sentence number two?
He gets his book at his friend's house
Okay. So why we use gets?
because of
Because of he.
he
Okay. Okay. So we can also say something plus get or gets plus an adjective. So we can also say like this. Okay. I'm going to give you an example, my. Uh, okay. Look at this one, Mai. Can you read this one, Mai?
the boy gets I marks on the test.
Yes. So something, who is that something? It's the boy, right? And
Yes,
then you have to use gets
yes,
because, why is it
because
gets?
because of the boy.
Because of the boy. Okay. And then we have adjective. What is the adjective? High. Okay. So high what? High
Marks
marks. So we can also say something plus get or gets plus adjective. Okay?
yes.
Okay. Again, Mike, can you give me a sentence using gets? Okay, another sentence using gets.
Um,
Okay, let's say for example,
She
my.
is.
Oh, she gets. Okay, so
She
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 gets
gets her pen
her
in the
pen
table
in. Okay, what kind of pen? We have to describe the pen. New. Okay, let's say for example, new pen in in
in
her
her table.
in her table. Okay, very good. So that's correct. Okay, or on her table. Okay, so we use gets. Okay. Okay, look at this one, Mike. Can you read this one now?
She gets her new pen on her table
Yes. So why is it we use gets?
because of she.
Because of she. And then we use adjective in here. So what is the adjective here?
Mm, new pen.
Okay, it's new because we are describing it, the pen. The pen is a noun, new is an adjective. So adjective describes the noun. Okay, Mai?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Do you have questions with this?
No, I don't.
Very good. So is it understood? Did you understand this one now?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, let's move on to another Mai. Okay, can you look at this one, Mai? We
Yes.
have the interpretation in Vietnam. Vietnam words we have like this. Okay, can you read this one for me, Mai? How to read this one?
Khoảng thời gian.
Quang Toi Gyan.
Gian.
Gyan, is that correct?
Gian.
Jan. Okay, I'm sorry. So meaning once.
Once, twice, three times.
Yes. So what is once in here? Is it Kwang? Is it Kwang is once?
Oh,
Yes, it's once, right?
yes.
Okay, what about twice? Toy?
No, it's not lie.
Ah, okay. So what does it mean?
It's about time.
Ah, okay. Okay. So that's it. So once, twice, and three times.
Three
Now, if
times.
we are talking of once, that is only one,
One,
right? If we are talking of twice, that is
two,
two. If we are talking of three times, that is
three.
three. Very good. Okay, can you read sentence number one, Mai?
I go to the park once a week.
Yes. So meaning in a week, okay, how many days in a week? We have 7 days, right? What are
Yes.
those? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Wednesday, Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday, and
Sunday,
Sunday. So we
Sunday.
have 7 days in a week. You go to the park once in 7 days. Okay? So
Yes.
that is what we mean by once. Okay? Next, can you read sentence number two, Mai?
Um, I went to the mall twice a month.
Yes. So how many times you went to the mall?
Mm,
In a month,
twice.
it's twice. Very good. So meaning you go to the mall twice in 1 month. Okay, in a month, right? Okay. Did you understand it, Mai? So
Yes.
twice meaning 2 times you go to the mall. You know what's a mall? You know what is a mall, Mai?
Mall. No.
Ah, you don't know a mall. Okay, it's a big stores. It's a big stores of dress, okay? pencils or
Can
things
I?
you can, yeah, you can buy in there in the mall.
Yes.
Okay? Okay, would you like me to let you see a mall? Okay, I'm going to show you a mall, okay, for a while. I have to let you see a mall. A mall is much bigger compared from a shopping mall. A shopping mall would be like that, okay? This one. I'm going to show you an example of a mall like this. Okay, for a while. Mhm. Why we cannot see this? Okay, for a while. Okay, for a while, I'm fixing this. Okay, wait. Why it goes like this? Mhm. Okay, look at this one, Mai. So this one is an example of a mall. Okay? So this one is what we call a shopping mall wherein you can buy things in there. Okay? Okay, so do you understand what's a mall now, Mai?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, very good. Okay. Now let's move on to another sentence. Sentence number 3.
She goes to the park 3 times a week.
Yes. So she goes to the park 3 times a week. So how many times a week she goes to the park?
3 times a week.
3 times, meaning it's 3 times. Okay, so that means it's three. So that's the use of once, twice, 3 times. Plus, what is this word again, Mai? This means,
Can't understand.
okay, I'm going to use the Google Translator, okay, for a while. Okay, so what does it mean? Wait. So, yeah, okay. Now I know. Okay. So this is what we mean by interval. Okay? So when we say this one in Vietnam is, we call this one as interval. Okay? Meaning the time.
Yes.
Okay? The time, right? So it's interval. Okay, let's say, for example, interval for once, twice, 3 times. Okay? Have you seen it, Mai? Okay, where is it? Okay, like this, right? Interval.
Inter-
Okay? Yeah, interval.
interval.
Yes, okay? Okay, so do you understand how to use once, twice, 3 times? Do you have
Yes.
questions with this?
No, I don't.
Okay, very good. Now let's try to have a sentence using that one. Okay, can you use it again in a sentence? Once.
Once. Um,
Okay,
I
okay,
go
I.
fishing with my family once a month.
Okay, go to Okay, what is that again, Mai? I go to,
to fishing
okay, I go fishing. Okay, I go fishing
with
with
family.
my family. Okay, once a month. Is it correct, Mai?
Yes,
Okay, very good. So we use in here
I
the
can
word,
see.
yeah, okay, for a while. Okay, okay. Can you see it now?
Yes,
Yes. Okay, can you read your sentence, Mai?
I go fishing with my family once a month.
Yes. Okay, very good. Another sentence, Mai, can you give me? You sing twice.
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 Mm, I go
I go.
library
Okay, I
twice
go
a week.
to the library twice a week. Okay. So you use in here twice. Okay, for a while. Okay, can you see that?
I go to the library twice a week.
Very good. That's correct, Mai. Next, another sentence. You sing thrice.
Th- 3 times.
Okay. Yes, three times. That's three
Mm,
times thrice.
I go
I go
my
my,
friend
okay,
my
my
friend's,
friend's
my friend's house
house.
3 times a week.
Oh, three times a week. Very good. Okay, I go to my friend's house three times a week. So we use three times. Okay. Can you read sentence number three, Mai?
I go to my friend's house 3 times a week.
Very good. Okay. Now, can we read all together, Mai, from the start in here? Can you read them all? I
I go
get.
fishing with
Okay. With this one, I get. Okay. With something, get or gets first, and then we have to go there. Okay. I get.
I get my breakfast in the kitchen.
Very good. The second one,
He gets his book at his friend's
house. Can you say it, Mai?
house.
Okay, very good. Next.
The boy gets high marks on the test.
Very good. The next one.
She gets her new pen on her table.
Okay, very good. And then,
I go fishing with my family once a month.
very good. Next.
I go to the library twice a week.
Right. Next.
I go to my friend's house 3 times a week.
Very good, Mai. Okay. So if you don't have any more question, let's move on to the next now. Okay. Let's move on to here. Okay. So again, we have to use. Can you read this one, Mai?
A cup, a bottle, glass of something.
Yes. So what are those something? We can say it's a tea, it's
Tea,
a
milk,
milk, or a coffee.
coffee.
Now, when we say tea, milk, or coffee, these are all uncountable nouns. Okay? Meaning we cannot count them. We cannot count the tea, we cannot count the milk, we cannot count the coffee, water, salt, and many others. Dust, we cannot count them. Okay? Okay.
Yeah.
So again, the structure would be a cup or bottle or glass of plus something. So what something is that? Either it's a tea,
tea.
it's a milk, or a coffee, or something that is uncountable, that we cannot count them. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, can you read sentence number one, Mai?
I like to have a cup of milk every morning.
Yes. So, what do you like every morning, Mai?
Mm, a cup of milk.
Very good. So, look at this one. We use a cup. A cup, okay, a cup of milk. Although we do not use in here bottle or a glass. We just use a cup. A cup of
Cup
milk.
milk.
Okay? Next, number two, Mai.
She drink a bottle of soft drink today.
Yes. Okay, can you say soft drink?
Soft drink.
Very good. Okay. So we use the word battle. Okay. Battle. So
Bottle.
she drink. Okay. She drinks.
She drink.
Yeah. It should be drinks, right? Because we use she. He, she, it. Of course, we have to put an S, right? So this one would be drinks. Okay. She drinks a bottle of soft
Of soft
drink
drink today.
today. Okay, so what we use? It's battle.
Bottle.
Okay? Battle off. Next, number three, my
Mm, Paolo use a glass of soy
sauce.
sauce.
Okay, can you say it again, my sauce?
Sauce
Okay,
on his menu.
on his menu. Okay, so what word we use in here? Glass of.
Glass.
Of.
Glass of.
Yes. Okay. When do we use a cup of? If we're talking about uncountable nouns, milk. When do we use bottle of? We're talking about soft drink. Can we count soft drink? Can we count a soft drink, Mai? You know what's a soft drink, Mai?
No, I don't.
Okay, okay. I'm going to show you a soft drink. You don't have Coca-Cola in your place. You know what's a
I have.
Coca-Cola? You know what's a Coke?
Yes, I
Yeah.
know.
A Coke is a kind of soft drink. Sometimes we call that one as soda. Okay? So
Yes.
Coca-Cola is a soft drink. Now, soft drink is water or liquid, right? Therefore, we cannot count that liquid, right? Just like milk, we cannot count the milk
Yes.
because it's too many if you're going to count. Not unless if we are going to put milk in a can. Or like for example, a cup of milk, that's the time that we can count them. But if we're talking only of milk, we cannot count that. Okay? Okay, another one. We can count a bottle of soft drink. But if we're talking of soft drink only, we cannot count that. Okay, Mai? And then, we cannot count soy sauce unless we're going to put glass of soy sauce. You know what's a soy sauce, Mai?
No, I don't.
Okay, so I'm going to show you a soy sauce. Okay, for a while. Okay. Okay, look at this one, Mai. So this one is a soy sauce. Okay, for a while. Okay, look at this one, Mai. Can you see it, Mai?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, so this one is a soy sauce. A soy sauce, we put that on our menu. Okay? Okay, another picture of a soy sauce. I don't know if you have this kind of brand in your country. Okay, wait for a while. Okay. Mhm. Okay, look at this one, Mai. So these are examples of soy sauce. Do you have like this in your country? Silver Swan? Do you have a Silver Swan soy sauce? You don't have?
Yes.
Okay. So, but that is a soy sauce. Okay, Mai? So, do you understand what's a soy sauce now?
Yes.
Mai? Okay, very good. So, next one, Mai. Number 6, shovel
Shovels are something.
plus something. Okay, again, we have to use the structure I, we, they, you, shovel. Okay, or shovel. He, she, it shovels
Sho-
with an S in it. Okay, you know what is shovel, Mai? It looks like this. Okay, I'm going to make this one bigger. Wait for a while. Okay, shovel means like this. The child is shoveling. Okay, wait. Okay, for a while. Okay, look at the child. The kid is doing a shovel. Okay? So this is what we mean by shovel. We have to use a shovel, Mai. Okay? You know what's a shovel, Mai?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, again, going back here, we are going to say shovel if we are using, what are we
Mm,
using? It's I,
I, we,
we,
they, you,
shovel.
shovel. He, she, it, shovels.
Yes, with an S, right? Okay, let's try to read sentence number 1, Mai. Can you read sentence number 1, Mai? Dad.
I can see.
Ah, you cannot see. What about this time? You can't? You can still not see? Ah,
No,
sorry. Okay, for a while. Okay. What about this time? Can you see it, Mai? Can you see it?
yes.
Okay, very good. So can you read sentence number 1?
Uh, that so- shovels off the snow to make
Oh,
the way
okay. To make the way easier.
easier to walk on.
Yes. So why we use shovels?
Mm,
Because
because of that,
because of dad. And dad is
that is a boy.
and he is a boy. Very good. Next,
I shovel
shovel. I shovel off.
of the yard.
Okay. So why we use shovel?
Mm, because of I.
Very good. The next one, my
Uncle Sam shouts of the dirt from the floor.
Yes, so Uncle Sam shovels off the dirt from the floor. So why is it we use shovels?
Because Uncle Sam,
Yes, and Uncle Sam is
a boy.
a boy. He is a boy. Okay? Okay, did you understand it now, Mai?
Yes,
Okay. Now, can we read them together, Mai? Together from number 5 up to number 6. Can you read sentences like number 1?
I like to have a cup of milk every morning.
Very good.
She drinks a bottle of soft drink today.
Very good.
Papa asks a glass
Uses, again, uses
uses a glass of
sauce
soy sauce on his
or menu. Okay, can you say
menu.
menu?
menu.
Okay, very good. Next,
Uh, that
dot,
shovels
shovels,
shovels of the snow to make the way uh,
easier.
easier to walk
Okay,
on.
very good. Next, my. Okay, number 2.
I shovel up the yard.
Yes, and number 3.
Uncle Sam showers up the dirt from the floor.
Very good, Mai. Okay, now let's try to give sentences, Mai, out of this one. A cup of something. So let's try to make a sentence of this. Okay, number 1. Can you give me your sentence, Mai?
Mm,
We can say a cup, we can say a bottle, we can say a glass of plus something.
I want a cup of tea in the evening.
Okay, I want a cup of tea, okay, in the evening. Okay, so maybe you can say I want to drink. Okay, let's try to add to drink a cup of tea in the evening. Okay, Mai? Okay, I'm
Yeah,
going to write it, for a while. I want to drink a cup of tea in the evening. Okay, so we use in here the word cup of. Okay. Okay. Can you read your sentence, Mai?
I want to drink a cup of tea in the evening.
Very good. So that's correct, Mai. Okay, another one, Mai. Can you give me another sentence? Using it's either a cup, bottle, glass of.
Mm, I want to drink a bottle of soda with my friend.
Wow, okay. I want to drink a bottle of soda with my friend. Okay, that's nice. This one is nice sentence. Okay. Can you read your sentence number 2, Mai?
Mm, I want to drink a bottle of soda with my friend.
Okay. You know what's a soda? Soda can also be a soft drink. Okay? Okay. So we've used in here cup of, battle of. Okay, another Mai.
Mm,
What about glass of?
glass of.
Yes.
Uh,
Okay.
my dad. Uh,
God,
my dad like to drink
you like to drink.
a glass of tea.
Glass of tea. Okay?
Yes,
So we use here of, glass of.
glass of.
Okay. Okay. Look at your sentence, Mike. Can you read sentence number 3?
My dad liked to drink a glass of tea.
Okay, but we use here dad, so therefore we have to say likes. Okay, my dad likes to drink a cup of tea because we use dad, right? Dad is a boy, so
Right.
it's he, right? So therefore we have to use the the with S in there. Okay, so my dad likes to drink a glass of tea. That's correct. Very good, Mai. Can you read your sentence together, Mai, from 1 up to 3?
I can't see.
Ah, you can see. Sorry. Okay, what about this time? Can you see it now?
Yes,
Okay, very good. Can you read them?
I want to drink a cup of tea in the evening.
Very good, You were able to read that correctly, Mai. Very good pronunciation. Next, number 2.
I want to drink a bottle of soda with my friend.
Very good. Then the last one.
My dad likes to drink a glass of tea.
Very good. Okay? So that is how we're going to use a cup,
Of
bottle,
glass.
glass of, plus something.
Something.
Okay, very good, Mike. Now let's move on to another one. Can you give me an example of shovel of
Shop.
plus something? Okay, give me a sentence, Mai, using shovel of something.
Mm, my mother
My
shower
mother shovel of,
of mm, dirt in my garden.
okay, a dirt, okay, on our garden. Okay, shovel in our garden. Okay, for a while, shovels off.
Shower of
Okay. So we have to say shovels off because we use mother.
my
And
mouth.
mother is a girl. So therefore, he, she, it shovels.
Shower.
Okay? So my mother,
Showers of the dirt in our garden.
very good. Okay? Another one, my. Can you give me another sentence? Shovel off something.
Mm,
Okay, what about if we're going to use they? Okay, they shovel
they shower.
off the the snow, maybe. Okay, so they shovel off the snow in the street.
Tree.
Okay, in the street. Okay, so the word is shovel off. Okay, for a while. Okay, can you see it, Mai?
Yes.
Okay, can you read that?
They shower out the snow in the street.
Yes, okay, meaning they shovel. They use a shovel in putting that snow out from the street. Okay? Okay, so do you understand now, Mai, how to use shovel off something? Did you understand it?
I,
Yeah, because you know how to do your own sentence. Okay, can you read them together, Mai?
I want to drink a cup of tea in the evening.
Very good.
I want to drink a bottle of soda with my friend.
Wow, very good.
My dad likes to drink a glass of tea.
Very good.
My mother showers off the dirt in our garden.
Very good. Then,
the shower of the snow in the street.
wow, okay, very good, Mai. So, do you have questions with this, Mai, before moving on to the next one?
No, dance.
Are you sure?
Mm,
Yes, yes. Okay. Now, let's move on to the pronunciation part, my. Okay? Okay, example. Okay, I'm sorry, but I have to correct this one. This one is sound L, not E. Okay, not I. Huh? This one is L. Like bell,
bell,
mile,
evil, tell, vile,
alive. See, we can see in here L,
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 L, L, and L. So
L,
therefore, this one is an L. Can you say L?
L,
Very good. Now, can we practice saying this one?
loud,
Okay, I'm going to say this, then repeat after me, Mai. Okay?
yes.
Larry
Larry
sent
sends
the latter
the latter
a letter
a letter
later.
later.
Yes. Okay. Can we do this one fast, Mai? Okay. I'm
Larry
going. I'm
sent
going to. Yeah. Can you do that fast? Go.
Larry sent the letter a letter later.
Okay. This is what you're going to do. Larry sent the latter a letter later. Okay. Can you do it? Because that one is a tongue
Yes.
twister. Okay. Okay. Go.
Larry sent the letter.
Latter. It's latter. Okay. Go. Do it again.
Larry sent the letter a letter later.
Okay. Larry sent the latter a letter later. Okay? So that is how we pronounce it. Okay. Can you say latter,
Later,
letter,
later,
later?
later.
Yes. When we say latter, it should be the person. Okay. It's latter. And then a latter that one. And then when we say letter, it's the letter that you write, right? When we say later, it could be this afternoon, this evening. So that would be later. Okay.
Later.
I'm going to do this. Then repeat after me fastly, Mai, because we are doing the tongue twister. Okay? So Larry sent the latter a letter later. Can you do it, Mai?
Larry sent the
La
la-
Latter. Okay, go.
Larry sent the latter a letter later.
Very good. See? You've done it. Okay, practice again, Mai. Go.
Larry sent the letter.
Uh-huh. Latter. Okay, go again.
Larry sent the latter a letter later.
Very good. See, another one, Mai. Go.
Larry sent the latter a letter later.
Very good. See? Now, I want you to record this one, Mai, saying Larry sent a letter later. Okay? You have to send that one to me. Okay? I want to hear that saying that one. Okay? Through an audio. Okay, Mai, huh? So that would be your
Yes.
assignment. Okay? Okay. So we use in here the L sound. Okay? Okay, now what are those L sound that we have? So we have the so-called,
Lion.
okay, L articulation sound. We have the so-called initial.
Initial.
We have,
Medial.
okay, medial.
Middle.
And we have,
Final.
okay, final.
Final.
Okay, can you say initial,
Initial.
medial,
Middle.
final?
Final.
Okay. When we say initial, we can see the L at the beginning, right? When
Yes.
we say medial, we can see the L at the Middle. That's
Middle.
why we call this one as medial. When we say final, we can see the L at
L.
the end, right? Okay.
Yes.
What word is this, Mai?
Lion.
Very good.
Leaf.
Very good.
Lips.
Very good.
Milk.
Very good.
Wolf.
Wolf. Again.
Wolf.
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 Very good.
Slide.
Slide. Okay, again.
Slide.
Okay. Under the final, we have,
Ball.
okay,
Skull.
and
Owl.
owl. Very good. Now, again, initial can be found at the beginning. Okay? Medial at the
Mid.
middle. Okay. Final
Final.
at the end. Okay? So beginning, middle, end. Can you say it, Mai? Beginning,
Beginning.
middle,
Middle.
end.
End.
Okay. So we can see under the initial the articulation
Beginning.
sound at the beginning. And then we can also see the articulation sound, L articulation sound at the middle. And
Middle.
we can able to see the L
End.
articulation sound at the end. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have questions with this, Mai? Do you have any questions? Okay, of
Yes.
course, lions
I
are,
don't know.
yeah, okay, so you know it already, right? Because we have pictures in here, right? Okay, next, Mai. Can you see it, Mai?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Now, what we're going to do in here, Mai, is we are going to read them and let's try to find the word that has the L in there. Okay? Can you read sentence number one, Mai?
He lead the march mm,
Carefully
carefully to start the free
fire. Okay,
fire.
fire. Okay. He lit the match carefully to start the fire. Now, where do you think would be the words that has the L sound? What words are those? I have seen two.
Lit
Okay, very good. That's one. The second one?
carefully.
Very good. Now, where is the position of the L sound in the word lit? Is it
Beginning.
initial? Is it medial? Is it final?
Um.
Initial.
Initial.
Yeah. When you say initial, at the beginning, right?
Yes.
Okay. What about the word carefully? Is it where? Is
Um.
it initial,
Middle.
medial, or end, or at
Mid.
the final? It's
Middle
medial. Very good. Okay? Okay. Another one. Number two, Mai.
is not nice to leave litter on the side or the road.
Yes. So how many words do we have in here that has the L sound?
Two.
What are those?
Leave and litter.
Very good. And what are their positions? Is it initial? Is it medial? Is it final?
Initial.
Initial. Both of them, right? Live is
In-
initial. Liter is initial. Okay, Mai? So, congratulations for the job well done, Mai. We are going to continue this one next meeting. Okay?
yes.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye, Mai.
Goodbye.
Okay, bye-bye.